Scan complete on lane 3. All vitals are stable. Confirmed. Move the next group forward. Inside this state-of-the-art facility, precision hydraulic presses shape thousands of identical patties every hour.
In this state-of-the-art facility, premium ingredients are rigorously tested. Our technicians
The continuous tunnel ovens utilize multi-zone precision heat control and automated steam injection to ensure a perfect bake every time.
The automated line ensures perfect uniformity for every slice, utilizing advanced laser guidance and high-speed rotary blades.
This facility integrates pickle processing and sauce production seamlessly. Automated systems ensure precision dosing for our Line 3 is running at full capacity. AI inspection confirms 0 defects on batch 47. Transfer robots maintaining optimal speed. The throughput on line 3 is exceeding the target by 5%.
And the error rate remains at 0.
This massive logistics center operates in perfect synchronization, utilizing advanced AI to manage millions of products daily.
The Tokyo sector is showing a 20% spike in demand.
Acknowledged. Diverting production line 3 to meet the forecast.